Okay, so I'm back at my place. I had to abandon my car on the side of the road, and I'm gonna get a fire on and get warmed up. Anyways. Well, that snowblower is gonna get used today. Oh my gosh. There is a ton of snow. Snowdrift City. Anyways, I'll show you guys a bit more when it gets... Okay, this is a crazy storm up here. It's gonna take me a little while to clear the snow off. But anyways, I guess everyone's in the same boat. So I'll get back to clearing my driveway. Had to abandon my car on the... Catch you all later. Up to my waist of snow.